Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Vance Money Transfer. In order to do so, here we are at the Google Play Store, and also we're taking a look at the iOS Store as well. You could see for yourself that the app is available only on the App Store and Google Play Store. So if you are interested, then you're going to want to go ahead and find the store for your device of preference. Go ahead and install that. What is the reviews? What are the reviews on Vance? Well, they do seem to be relatively positive. For the Google Play Store, they're hovering at around 4.2 ratings, and on the iOS Store, it seems to be about the same. Now, on the iOS Store, there are many more ratings. They're just at about 3,500 ratings compared to the Google Play Store, where there's only about 15 reviews at this time. So if I am to speculate on that, then I would say that generally speaking, you're probably going to get a better result on the iOS version. But by and large, it does seem that the reviews are relatively good. It is an app for sending money to India from anywhere. So if that applies to you and you're looking for a way to transfer money to India, then take a look at Vance. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you head over to our link tree in the description, you will find information on our upcoming webinars and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Go ahead and click on those links. You'd be helping us out, and we would greatly appreciate it.